Nobody remembered me. Last week, birthday ko. Hindi kami mahilig maghanda tuwing birthday. Either kakain lang sa labas or bibilong food then very intimate as in immediate family lang. Wala talaga akong ini-expect na bonggang kung ano man for me. All I wanted to do was go out with Evie toddler and grab coffee sa gusto kong puntahang coffee shop. Pero bakit wala man lang bumati? Mga kapatid ko, nakalimutan pa daw. Mga friends ko, na palagi kong binibilhan ng gifts, preparing weeks in advance for theirs, didn't greet me until shared a photo with Esf's daughter with a very very subtle caption about their birthday. Don't get me wrong, ha? Hindi ako nanghihingi ng material na gifts or kahit ano. Okay na nga yung maalala nila. Pero bakit ganun? Sobrang irrelevant na ba ako sa mga buhay nila? It was a birthday pero umiiyak ako kasi kahit yung plano kong paglabas namin ng baby ko, hindi pa natuloy. Ying's dad said we should go to our Lola's house instead. Ayaw ko dun kasi sobrang toxic na mga tao and hindi kaya ng social battery ko to do that. Plus, it's Eve's birthday. Pero sige, pinagbigyan ko. Ending, hindi pa din kami natuloy because kids were sick and baka magkahawaan. I was thinking of going out pa din to grab coffee, but it was getting late na for din the baby. Kaso, bakit mga kapatid and friends ko pa yung galit sa akin dahil masakit yung loob ko about what happened? They felt it in the way na nag-reply ako sa kanila, but didn't voice it out. I cried lang the whole time. What made me feel more sad was the fact that the person who made so much of a big deal sa birthday ko, hindi ko na din kasama this year dahil iniwan na kami ng baby ko.